SoftBank Group Corp is reportedly in advanced talks to acquire DigitalBridge Group Incorporated, a move that could significantly strengthen the Japanese conglomerate's position in global artificial intelligence (AI) infrastructure. According to Bloomberg News, the deal may be announced as early as Monday, though discussions are still ongoing and no final agreement has been confirmed yet. If completed, the acquisition would place nearly $108 billion worth of digital infrastructure assets under SoftBank's control. These assets include a vast portfolio of data centers, cellular towers, and fiber optic networks spread across multiple regions. Such infrastructure is becoming increasingly critical as demand for AI computing, cloud services, and data storage continues to surge worldwide. DigitalBridge is known for its strong presence in digital infrastructure investment, particularly in data centers that support AI workloads, hyperscale cloud providers, and telecom operators. By acquiring DigitalBridge, SoftBank would gain direct access to strategically important assets that are essential for powering next-generation technologies such as artificial intelligence, 5G edge computing, and the Internet of Things (IoT). This potential acquisition aligns closely with SoftBank founder Masayoshi Son's long-term vision of building a global AI-driven ecosystem. In recent years, SoftBank has shifted its focus toward AI, semiconductors, robotics, and advanced digital infrastructure. Control over large-scale data centers and connectivity networks would provide SoftBank with a strong foundation to support AI innovation and future technology investments. While the financial terms of the transaction have not been disclosed, market analysts believe the deal could be one of the most significant infrastructure acquisitions of the year. However, there is still uncertainty, as negotiations could face regulatory scrutiny or fall through before a final agreement is signed. If finalized, the acquisition would mark another major step in SoftBank's transformation into a global leader in AI infrastructure and digital connectivity. BizShort in seconds, say what matters, think business, think BizShort, tap to subscribe.